What's up, Kylie? So I'm going to be talking fast because I'm using a program that I downloaded and it has like a 2-minute maximum for the trial period. So basically, the question I'm answering is there a difference in average covered Medicare payment per patient between patients discharged in Maryland hospitals and Virginia hospitals? The data I'm using comes from data.gov. It's some hospital charge data that I downloaded, and it basically has all the information regarding hospitals in America separated by state, and it has information on their locations, number of discharges it had this year, as well as average covered charges for the total admissions, and then average total payments like per patient and average Medicare payments per patient. So this is essentially the tab we're going to be looking at, the average Medicare payments, as we want to see whether between Maryland and Virginia there's more coverage or less coverage. So I separated, to make my life a little bit easier, I separated and isolated the Virginia data right here and saved it as data VA, and the Maryland data right here as data MD. So what I did first was I went to R, and I first wanted to import the data. So I used this sequence right here, and just to make sure it's in there, I checked, and it's there, and specifically the average Medicare payments tab is there. So next I'll do Virginia data. Just make sure that's there, and boom, 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 and as you can see, average Medicare payments is still there. So now I'm going to check a t-test just to compare the averages and see which state has better coverage. So I use this sequence right here and specify the data sets I'm using and the tabs and the specific columns. And as you can see here, the t-test shows that it rejects the null hypothesis essentially due to the small p-value, and kind of infers that there is a significant difference between them. Although we can't say specifically what it is, but we can see here from the mean of X, it's greater than the mean of Y. So Maryland has more coverage than Virginia.